everyone, this is Vanessa Vasquez, your Lima City tour guide, and today I am dressed up in a very comfortable outfit, and this is because I am in my kitchen. As I said before in my previous posts and messages, I'm going to start doing a series of cooking classes here from my kitchen in Lima, and I'm going to be introducing you to the typical Peruvian dishes, the famous ones, the not so famous ones, but also delicious, and we're going to be surprising you every day with something new. These classes will be live, but in this occasion I have here a video made especially for you all to give you an idea, a sense of what we're going to be doing. So today I want to share with you a famous and maybe the most simple, the most easy type of Peruvian dish you will ever find. This is the Salchipapa, and you can add as much as you want. If you want to add, for example, eggs, if you want to add I don't know, maybe fried veggies, whatever you want to add, it's okay. But I will show you today the way how we do it, the most simple way, the salchipapa, the one you can eat on the streets, on the little food stands we have everywhere in Lima. So are you ready for this recipe? Let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the ingredients for the salchipapa. Number one, you need potato. And we have in Peru over 4,000 kinds of potato. So you never get bored with this product. But basically, if you want to go for the most, let's say, safe type of potato, you have to use the white potato, papa blanca. That's a really good one for frying. It really depends on the taste of the person. I hear people that prefer, for example, the pink potato that they say is better for frying. So it's really, up to the taste of each one. So next ingredient is going to be the hot dogs, and this is something you can find everywhere in the world. No big deals about it. So you can choose the one you like, the one you want, and the one that is in your budget. So well, basically we need these two things, plus we have another thing. Of course, this one. This is oil. This is vegetable oil, the oil you like for frying. But my recommendation is that you use vegetable oil because olive oil is going to burn very fast. So this is the most resistant to high temperatures. So this is the way how women in the Andes try to persuade their mother-in-law that they are ready to get married. So they start peeling the potato like this. Of course, it was not the test my in-laws had for me when I married Marek, but this is the way. Oh, look at that, I failed. So the idea is that I should keep peeling this potato. It's in one peeling, and it's not just a white potato. This would be way too easy. So they find the most difficult potato, the one that has like little edges, like balls and holes, and they give this very tricky potato to that lady. So look at this, look how I'm doing it. I think I am sort of ready to get married. Of course that these girls, since early age, oh look at that, almost. Look at this, like almost ready to get married, but not yet. Maybe in a couple of years I will be ready to get married. No, Marek? And this is it. This is how it ends. So this is the way how a potato is peeled for a woman to prove it's ready to get married. Now it's time to cut the potatoes, and we're going to cut the potatoes in French fries form. So we're going to do them in long, quite big, let's say, stripes. So well, I don't know how to explain, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, well now I'm going to show you how I cut the potato, and I will choose nice potato. I think this one will work. So usually the potatoes have, especially the white potato, has the shape elongated. So what I do is sort of like allowing the potato to stand, right? So in the wider side, I cut this, this edge like this, and I expand it, right? So it's much easier to cut. And I think I'm going to cut this in 4 pieces like this, okay? Then what I do is take off one of the sides like this, and I cut them long. So, sorry. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have them, ready like this. Oh, notice by the way how big they are. And here you cut them like this, and this one maybe in 3. So okay. So this is how you have the perfect French fries, Peruvian fries for the salchipapa. So as you've seen, this is not a light meal, but it's really good for nighttime. It warms you up really well. We're going to start putting the fries. What it takes less to fry is the hot dog. So start first with this. Okay, so let's do it. And now we have to continue with the other ingredient, which is this one, the friendly hot dog that everybody loves. So let's proceed with the hot dogs. So remember the diagonal, thin, cut, simple. Here we have the 2 different cuts. We have, let me show you this. This is my little experiment for you. So we have these ones here, and we have this one here. So maybe it is exactly the same in amount, but it gives you this one the idea that you are eating bigger pieces of hot dog and maybe more. So this is why salchipaparias like this cut better. Healthy part. Delicious. This is low calories. Excellent if you want to lose weight. Okay, so now I have everything ready. It took me a long time, honestly, but it's worth it because it's delicious. So now I'm going to serve it in a plate, and I will show you how we like to eat this. Well, here you have it after 2 hours of making it. No, not really. Actually, it took me more. Well, basically, the idea is that you make the fries perfectly, that you make them in the style you like. It should not take you too long, actually. But basically, you have to take your time to doing it. Do it slow. Maybe do it in the company of someone you like, you love, and share this lovely dish with this person. This is if you don't have any idea of what to cook, so you like run out of ideas, so you can have this. And well, you can add mayo, you can add ketchup, you can add mustard if you wish. We do this like this. So some people like to add other creams, for example one made of avocado. Some people like to add chili. I love chili. Unfortunately, I don't have chili tonight, but if I had chili paste, I would be adding. So well, this is what you can have in a relaxed night, evening. So well, I hope you enjoy this video. All the best to you. Enjoy this delicious salchipapa. Take care. Bye bye. So if you wish to follow me, you just have to follow Adventurous Travel Guide on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. I hope to see you soon